to my channel for those who already subscribed. If you haven't done so, click the button and subscribe to my channel to get notified as well and get my new videos. So let's start, and today I want to share with you the makeup with Kiko Milano long lasting eyeshadow sticks. Today I'm going to show you only the eye makeup bit, and here is the foundation, lips, everything. If you want to know more about the foundation, how to apply it from my side, then just comment below. I would love to share that with you. Just about those pencils can be used as eyeshadows, as a base for the eyeshadows, and can be used as the eyeshadows as its own. So and maybe you don't know that you can actually do something on top of it. I can help you out with that, and let's start. So I'm going to take this darker pencil, which is color 48. I'm going to start with this, and let's start from the eye, at the bottom of the eye. I'm going to do it on the bottom of my eye today. And go this way. Blend the edges before it's dry. And blending it towards making like an eyeliner wing with it. And I'm applying it in the outer corner too. I honestly don't have a plan to show you something crazy, so I'm just going ahead and trying things with you. So let's continue. As you can see, I'm barely touching this pencil with like my skin, and it's just so creamy. And I own this pencil for a while now, so you don't have to worry about it to dry. Like, it's really creamy. And just recently I have made a video on another pencils which are from Nude Sticks. I really loved it at the time I bought it, but then after a few months it actually a little bit drier, like not a little bit, it's quite dry. This one is so creamy, unbelievable, like so creamy. So here you can see this eye and this eye, and let's do the other eye off the camera. Now picking up another shade, which is 67, and I'm going to apply it lower. So there will be a transition, and a little bit on top here. Then I need to blend it all. Take it higher like that. Taking this green pencil also from Kiko and feeling out the inner. Also the up. Now I'm picking up this palette. It has green shade that actually has a few different green shades, which I love. If you want me to swatch those shades for you, let me know. And I'm picking up this shade with this flat brush and applying this shade on top of my pencil to set it, because if you don't set it, it might smudge, because this formula from Kiko is quite creamy. Maybe that's why it's not dry. So to make it more intense and smudge proof, set it with eyeshadows. And of course blend it well. Once I set it, I can blend it. And before you apply mascara at the bottom of your lashes, apply powder. This is the powder that I'm using, it's Laura Mercier translucent powder. Apply it generously under your eyes. Okay, you guys, this is what I have after like 5 minutes of makeup. I mean, maybe 10. This is the pencils that I've used from Kiko, and this is the makeup that I have done for today. I hope you enjoyed this video. Give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel. Love you all. Thank you so much for your support, for your comments. Thank you so much, and see you later.